In this video, I'm going to show you what the YouTube TV channel lineup looks like and how you can customize it for your viewing needs. YouTube TV offers over 100 live TV channels, including popular networks like ABC, CBS, NBC, FOX, ESPN, CNN, HGTV, TNT, and more. The exact lineup varies based on your location, as local broadcast channels and regional sports networks, RSNs, are included to provide content relevant to your area. To view the full list of channels available in your region, visit the YouTube TV website or app and enter your zip code during sign-up. You'll also find premium add-ons like Showtime, Stars, and Sports Plus, which expand the lineup with exclusive movies, series, and sports coverage. One of the great features is the ability to hide channels you don't watch by using the three-dot menu next to a channel name in the guide. This helps declutter your lineup and prioritize your favorites. Additionally, YouTube TV supports up to 6 user profiles, so each household member can customize their own channel preferences. If you're unsure about specific networks, check the YouTube TV Help Center or contact support for clarification. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand the YouTube TV channel lineup, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.